The Panini press is a versatile cooking appliance in which your sandwiches are grilled and pressed at once based on two metal plates. Once heating up, such plates will clamp shut, press your foods together, and then heat them on both sides. The first prototype of the Panini press replaced partly electric toasters and griddles. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 Panini press on the market. We have made our research and this list reflects our opinion. We have listed products based on quality, durability, price, feature, consumer feedback, and more. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the best choice. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Cuisinart 5-in-1 Griddler with Dials. Panini press functionality, high performance, temperature control, and convenience of use. This Panini press is one of the top choices to cook plenty of foods, in addition to sandwiches. Besides, Cuisinart is a well-known brand, so you can trust its high-quality products. You can reshape this appliance as your grilling needs. This Panini press provides a large cooking space to make multiple foods at once. Simply place your food inside, adjust the heat, and wait for your fantastic result. It delivers a built-in drip tray to drain excess fat off your dishes when cooking. Plus, it has non-stick, removable plates, allowing for ease of cleaning. It does not contain BPA, so you will get healthy foods. This multi-purpose product is made of brushed stainless steel and is expected to use in the long term. Furthermore, it is equipped with a floating cover to suit any food thickness. You can know whether your dishes are ready to cook or not thanks to indicator lights. Key features: work with 5 functions: contact grill, Panini press, full grill, full griddle, half grill, and half griddle, brushed stainless steel housing, supply with a sturdy Panini style handle and a hinged floating cover. Number 2. Chefman electric non-stick coated plates. Panini press, similar to a standard cafe-style Panini press, this product is sleek and compact to place in your small kitchen conveniently. Besides, you can take this compact appliance anywhere, such as on road trips or picnics. You can heat up quickly and cook meals in a few minutes thanks to the 1000-watt cooking performance. You do not have to spray butter or oil before cooking. The product opens 180 degrees to place plenty of foods on its surface. Moreover, you can adjust the floating hinge to suit any thick-style foods and distribute heat evenly. You also monitor its cooking operation based on its indicator lights that let you know when your meals are ready to cook. This appliance is equipped with a drip tray to catch grease and liquids during the cooking process. Besides, it features skid-resistant feet to stabilize your model while cooking. Plus, cleaning this unit is not a big issue with the removable drip tray and non-stick plates. Key features: open the Panini press up to 180 degrees, no need for spraying oil or butter, an adjustable floating hinge included, compact size. Number 3. Hamilton Beach opens 180 degrees Panini press. This Panini press has a medium-sized cooking surface to cook 2 or 3 sandwiches simultaneously. Besides, it is ideal for upright storage so that you do not worry about how to store it after use. This product is simple to clean thanks to non-stick cooking plates. It features power and preheats lights to let you know when your foods are ready to cook. Furthermore, it has a floating lid, helping the press suit any thickness of sandwiches. Plus, you can open it up to 180 degrees for cooking more foods at once. It is designed as a cafe-style Panini press. Besides, it appears in stylish, trendy colors to suit your kitchen space. Simply use it regularly to get fantastic meals. Key features: open the cooking surface to get a 180-degree space, designed as a cafe-style floating lid, no need to flip, non-stick top and bottom plates. Number 4. George Foreman 500 degrees searing burst for 90 seconds Panini press. Unlike other Panini presses that raise the temperature up to 500 Fahrenheit degrees for 2 minutes or more, this product does such a job in just 90 seconds. You can get a restaurant-quality result by using it frequently. Besides, the appliance has a timer mode and adjustable temperature control. You can check these indicators through a screen that lets you know the accurate value. It features more than one non-stick layer to release foods and is effortless to clean after cooking. It also has buttons that are flatted out the surface. You can cook sandwiches of any thickness. Plus, the tool can collect excess oil easily when in use based on an adjustable tilt. Furthermore, it is equipped with removable plates and a cool touch handle. Key features: a 3-in-1 product. Grill, panini press, and waffle. Supply with a high heat 500 Fahrenheit degrees searing burst. A digital control panel included. Equipped with a cooking timer and temperature settings. Number 5. Breville Quintanium Cooking Surface Panini Press. Unlike regular non-stick plates, this panini press is equipped with a Quintanium cooking surface to resist scratch more effectively. Plus, these superior non-stick plates allow you to cook faster than other similar appliances. This tool can perform as the superior sandwich maker that you are looking for. It has a flat bottom plate and a ribbed top plate so that you will get nice grill marks like a cafe-style panini press. Plus, it features a solid padded handle to keep you safe and a floating hinge to adjust 4 height levels to suit multiple food thicknesses. You can make your meals in about 10 minutes or less. You also know exactly when your food is ready to cook based on smart indicator lights. This product comes with a sliding lever for selecting melt or toast mode. The appliance delivers a locking storage clip to prevent the lid from opening accidentally when not in use. It also has a cord wrap facility. Key features: the non-stick, scratch-resistant Quintanium cooking surface, include a flat bottom plate and a ribbed top plate, offer a floating hinge, 4 height adjustments, indicators lights, non-slip, feet, and a locking storage clip. Please like, comment, share and subscribe and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one, and we hope you like this video. If you want to know the product price, do check out the description box. Thanks for watching.